everybody, welcome back to the shop. I'm going to go over a little bit about the warranty on that Summit engine. After I sent the pictures of what happened, they didn't have any issue whatsoever. They took it, they agreed to just give me a whole new one. So, because of the piston contacting the valve. So, we got it all boxed. There's the crate that it's sitting in right now. They're just gonna come get it, and we already got this one all. Well, it's not done as far as wiring because I gotta wire the gauges, and this is a temp just to get it so it would start. But it is running. Sounds way better than that other engine. No issues with that. So, and it fired right up as soon as I hit the key. So, I'm happy with that part of it. They don't cover the warranty as far as labor because I did it and I'm not a licensed shop, so I don't get anything for that. But Summit did give me a gift card for my troubles, so that helps a little bit. At least they gave me something. I wish it was a little more, but anyway. So hopefully get this thing knocked out. I'll be doing a video on doing the dash and stuff like that now that I can move forward with that, and just getting things done as far as I got the lawnmower service, the Mustang. I'm gonna switch out the lower shock mounts to the bushing style because the spherical ones are just too noisy for me. I want to drive it more, so I don't want the rattles. But I know it doesn't look probably clean, but it's a lot more cleaner than it normally is. So if you have any questions about, how to deal with them with the warranties and stuff like that, you can, ask in the comments. But it was pretty cut and dry. So as you could see, I can't believe that I knew exactly what it was, and it actually was that. I'd never seen a valve seats fall out like that, so I guess there's a first time for everything. But yeah, please hit that like and subscribe button, and there's more to come.